Hi, my name is Jeffrey Darwent. Owning a condominium offers a unique living experience, blending private ownership with shared responsibilities. One crucial aspect of condominium living is the upkeep of common areas. These areas, shared by all residents, contribute significantly to the property's aesthetic appeal, safety, and overall value. Landscaping plays a vital role in creating a welcoming ambiance. Regular mowing, trimming, and planting enhance the visual appeal and create a sense of pride among residents. Well-maintained lawns, vibrant flower beds, and healthy trees significantly impact the overall perception of the property. Equally important is the cleanliness of common areas. Regular cleaning schedules for hallways, lobbies, and elevators are essential. These high-traffic areas require attention to detail, ensuring a hygienic and presentable environment for residents and their guests. Lighting is another crucial aspect of common area maintenance. Well-lit hallways and parking areas enhance safety and security. Regularly inspecting and replacing faulty lights is essential to deter criminal activity and prevent accidents. Beyond maintaining aesthetics, preventive maintenance is crucial to ensure the smooth functioning of essential systems within a condominium complex. HVAC systems, responsible for heating and cooling, require regular inspections and maintenance. Scheduling routine checks, filter replacements, and system tune-ups can prevent unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. Elevators, a critical component of multi-story buildings, demand regular attention. Routine inspections by certified technicians, lubrication of moving parts, and prompt addressing of any malfunctions ensure the safe and efficient operation of these systems. Neglecting elevator maintenance can lead to inconvenient outages, costly repairs, and potential safety hazards. Fire safety systems, including alarms, sprinklers, and extinguishers, are non-negotiable aspects of building maintenance. Regular inspections and testing of these systems are legally mandated and critical for the safety of all residents. Fire safety equipment should always be in proper working order, and evacuation plans should be clearly communicated to all occupants. Despite best efforts at prevention, repairs are an inevitable part of managing a condominium. Plumbing issues, ranging from leaky faucets to burst pipes, require immediate attention to prevent water damage and inconvenience to residents. Addressing plumbing problems promptly is crucial to minimize repair costs and maintain a hygienic living environment. Roofing issues, if left unattended, can lead to significant damage and costly repairs. Regular inspections for leaks, damaged shingles, or structural problems are essential. Timely repairs to the roof protect the building's integrity and prevent further damage to individual units. Electrical problems can pose serious safety hazards and require the expertise of licensed electricians. Addressing issues like faulty wiring, malfunctioning outlets, or power outages promptly is paramount to ensuring the safety and well-being of residents. Section 4. Service with a contract. Streamlining maintenance tasks. Managing the various aspects of condominium maintenance can be overwhelming for a condominium association. This is where service contracts play a vital role in ensuring the smooth and efficient upkeep of the property. Landscaping companies can be contracted to handle all aspects of lawn care, landscaping maintenance, and seasonal plantings. Janitorial services are essential for maintaining the cleanliness of common areas. Contracting a reputable cleaning company ensures that hallways, lobbies, elevators, and other shared spaces are regularly cleaned and sanitized. This frees up the condominium association to focus on other management tasks. Security services provide an added layer of protection for residents and their property. Contracting a reputable security company can involve various services, including on-site security personnel, surveillance systems, and controlled access points, deterring crime and enhancing the overall safety of the condominium complex. Section 5. Staying safe and sound. Compliance and emergency response. Condominium management goes beyond routine maintenance. It also encompasses ensuring compliance with health and safety standards and establishing protocols for handling emergencies. Regular safety inspections of common areas, including fire safety equipment, elevators, and playground equipment, are crucial to identify and rectify any potential hazards. Developing and communicating a comprehensive emergency response plan is paramount. This plan should outline evacuation procedures in case of fire, natural disasters, or other emergencies. It should also include contact information for emergency services, utility companies, and key personnel within the condominium association. Maintaining accurate records of maintenance activities, repairs, service contracts, and safety inspections is essential for effective management and legal compliance. These records provide documentation of the association's efforts to maintain a safe and well-maintained property and can be invaluable in case of insurance claims or legal disputes. Stay tuned for the next video, where I will share information on regulatory compliance. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.